Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to rename an Excel file using the Dropbox mobile app, updated with the latest steps for a smooth experience. Whether you need to organize your files better or just want a clearer title, renaming files on your phone is straightforward and takes just a few taps. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your stored files. Once the app is open, you'll see several tabs at the bottom of your screen. Look for the one labeled Files and tap on it. This tab displays all your folders and files stored in Dropbox, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Next, scroll through your files to locate the Excel file you want to rename. When you spot the file, you'll notice three little dots beside its name. These dots represent the Options menu, so tap on them to open a list of actions you can take on the file. From the list of options, select Rename. Tapping this will bring up a text box where you can enter the new name for your Excel file. Type in a clear and descriptive name that helps you identify the file easily in the future. Once you're happy with the new name, confirm the change by tapping the appropriate button, usually Save or Done. And that's it. Your Excel file now has a new name, and this change will sync across all your devices connected to Dropbox, ensuring you stay organized no matter where you access your files. Renaming files on the go has never been this simple. Keep in mind, this method works the same on both iOS and Android devices, so whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the steps remain consistent. It's a handy feature that helps you maintain order in your digital workspace, especially when dealing with multiple Excel files. Thanks for watching.